Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to know about what is PHP and why only you should learn PHP and what are the growth by learning the PHP development. Let's begin the session. See, PHP is an acronym for PHP of Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is a widely used open source scripting language. PHP scripts are executed on the server side. PHP is free to download and use. So called it is open source. And what is a PHP file and how it will be looks like? PHP files can contain text, HTML, CSS, cascading style sheets, JavaScript, and PHP code. These all will be integrated with a single PHP file. If you are more familiar to use Bootstrap and jQuery, even you try to involve in this same PHP file as well. And PHP code is executed on the server side only. And the result is written to the browser as a plain HTML with embed with the HTML tags. PHP file is having an extension of .php. When the .php will be recognized as a compiler, yes, it is in a PHP form. And PHP is, we have to go back. Yes, what can PHP do? PHP can generate dynamic pages of the content, and you can do the wonders like create, open, read, write, delete, and close these functionalities on the files on the server side. And PHP can collect the form data, like you may put it as in a registration form or contact us form or something which you need to interact with the database. Such forms you can create by using the PHP language. And PHP can send and receive the cookies and can add, delete, modify data of your database to collecting the data rows, and can be used to control user access, like maintaining the user management. And PHP can encrypt your data to make a more secure by involving of applying the MD5 such as algorithms. Why only the PHP? Yes, PHP is having more advantages than others. PHP runs the various platforms called Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS X, etc. Anywhere cross platforms it will run. PHP is compatible with almost all servers used today, like web servers called Apache, IIS, Internet Information Server, and Nginx, so-called popular servers, web servers it will run. And PHP supports a wide range of databases called MySQL, it's an open source and free, MariaDB, MS SQL, PostgreSQL, all the databases of relational database will support perfectly. And PHP is free. Download it from official PHP resources of www.php.net. And PHP is easy to learn and runs efficiently on the server side. And if you want to make your local environment with the PHP, you just go with like XAMPP and WAMP servers. And I hope you are most familiar about to PHP. Jumpstart to learn like a welcome program. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.